It's beautiful around here today. It's breezy, so it's not that hot. Green everywhere. This is the little clouds that give me shade. That way I won't get baked in the sun. I'm just floating here because I don't know where they're at. They're all the way down. So I'm gonna stop here. Oh, I see a big fish. Woo. Did you guys see that? Big fish. Crazy fish. Crazy fish. Where is it now? There it is. Oh, look at those fish. I could see the fish. The water is clear. The water is clear. I don't know if you could see it, but yes, I'm in my canoe by myself. The wind is blowing me to the edge of the wall here. I'm gonna go back where it was the fish. Ay, crazy. I don't need to be in the bushes. I need to be in the middle. I'm turning. I'm just cruising by myself, paddling one hand. I'm paddling one hand. Staying in the shade because the sun came out again. Uh-oh. I hope the mosquito's not gonna eat me. There's a lot of them flying on top of the water. There's like dragonflies. Bunch of them. Bunch of dragonflies. And mosquitoes and all different kind of bugs. Oh boy. Now it's in the shade, so I'm gonna stay here for a little bit. I don't know, waiting for them. They're crazy. They're so all the way. It's fun. It's fun. Peaceful. No, I'm gonna look for eagle. See if I could find one here in these trees. They should have eagles or hawks.